So I have the Amazon Fire TV. This one is a Fire TV stick. It could be a Fire TV Cube or even an Amazon Fire TV. I'll be showing you today how to install the TikTok application on your Amazon Fire TV. So the first thing you want to do is on the top row right there, simply go to the search function, make sure it's highlighted, and then scroll down to the search bar, press select on your remote. That should bring up the search page. Simply type TikTok with your remote control. As you type, you should see suggestions at the bottom there that you can select. So I'll simply go to the suggestions and select. And from the search results, you should see the TikTok application. So select it. And then press on the download button. Now, since I downloaded it before, then you should see download, you own it, because I had previously installed it. But if you've never installed it, then you should see a button to simply download and install. So select the same button and allow the TikTok app to be downloaded and installed on your Amazon Fire TV. And with the installation complete, you can either click open to launch it from here, or you can go back to the home page and then go to all apps, select that, and you should find TikTok in your list of applications. Now from here, if you want to, you can actually move the TikTok app to the front row. Simply make sure it's highlighted first and then press the three-line button on your remote control and then select move, and then you can move TikTok to exactly where you want it on your Amazon Fire TV. So let's put it on the front row right next to Prime Video. Hit select, and now when you go back home, you should actually see TikTok right there. So let's launch TikTok and sign in. So simply press the TikTok icon and allow it to launch. So you can either watch, and if you want to log into your account, simply select the login option. And the easiest way to log in, especially if you have TikTok already on your phone, is to scan that QR code. So simply launch your camera and scan the QR code. And it's going to open this page to confirm that you want to log in to TikTok for desktop. So tap on confirm, and that should log you in on the TV. Simple as that. And that's it. That's basically that's how to log in to the TikTok application. So that's it for this video. That's how to install and actually set up TikTok on your Amazon Fire TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.